And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Make it a great day!
Thank you for coming to Back to School Night. Your support makes a big difference. It's going to be a great year.
This is your Sea Lion leader, Aniston Johnson, with this week's announcements. Kindergarten welcome conferences continue on Monday. Dismissal for UTK and kindergarten are at 12:30 p.m. for Monday through Friday. Cool off on Tuesday and join us for the PTA's Ice Cream Social. Bring the whole family at 6 p.m. for this fun event. You should stop by our book fair pop-up when you're at the Ice Cream Social. Explore all the new books on display. We are going to have our first emergency drill on Thursday at 10:45 a.m. Be sure to listen to our teacher for instructions. Wear your Start with Hello t-shirt on Friday. We can make McGaw a friendlier place if we greet each other by name. You can purchase a Start with Hello t-shirt on the PTA website. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
Hey Sea Lions, I'm super excited to announce that McGaw Idol is back. We will be having the big show on October 29th. There's a couple changes that you need to know about. The first is that students are going to be limited to only one performance this year. That means a solo performance or a group performance. The next thing you need to know is that ticket sales will be online, so parents, keep your eyes open for that. Finally, permission slips will be coming home sometime this week. Go ahead and read that permission slip. Make sure that you follow every single detail, especially the part about registering after turning in a permission slip. You aren't in the show unless you register. Thanks so much, students. I'm excited to see you on the big stage.
I want to appreciate Miss Barr because she was an amazing kindergarten teacher to me.
I want to say thank you to Miss Sizemore because she's such a nice teacher.
Thank you, Miss Line.
I want to say thank you to Miss Over because she's such a nice teacher.
Ramaga.
I got a Rava.
All right, put it in. High five. Yeah.
UTK.
Congratulations to UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class, Andre Moses. Miss Jamie noticed that Andre was being very thoughtful during lunch. He noticed that they were walking ahead, so he said, let's wait for our friends. Way to go, Andre.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Sizemore wants to shout out kindergarten student Stevie Treasurer Kelsey. She said that Stevie is a great listener and helper. She has a friendly smile and a positive attitude. Way to go, Stevie.
First grade.
Mrs. Lupescu wants to shout out first grader Matthew Borgeson Testa. She said, great job walking from the bus to the classroom to hang up your backpack and go to the playground to line up. That's super responsible, Matthew.
Second grade.
Mr. Larson wants to say thanks to second grader Lorelei Torres. Thank you, Lorelei, for keeping our campus clean. You are inspiring others to get involved, and that is true leadership.
Third grade.
Miss Day wants to shout out third grader Max Zinn. She said that after lunch, Max noticed left behind lunch boxes and brought them back to his classmates. Way to go, Max. Awesome job being aware.
Fourth grade.
Miss Ham wants to say thank you to fourth grader from Miss Lou's class, Emma McHenry. She said Emma was a great participant at the RA assembly and was aware and focused during each presentation. Thanks so much, Emma.
Fifth grade.
Ms. Heidner wants to say thank you to 5th grader Charlie Gill. She said Charlie was being very kind to another student by asking them how they liked their new teacher and new grade level. Way to go, Charlie. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.